Hi, I'm going to describe how to make a salmon lantern. And we are going to use these materials. 3 sets of thin wire, marker, pencil, scissors, brush, clear tape, clear glue, and gray color of tissue paper, and yellow, small size of yellow paper, and green paper, this size, and red size tissue papers. Next is white paper, 20 inches by 14, and I created this stencil fit into this paper. And we need to fold this one into half here. And we place this salmon about 1/4 inch above from this cut. I'm going to add the flap on the bottom of this chin, and this part is going to be connected. Never cut this area, and top area here, and another top area here. These pieces are going to be the flap, and never cut this area. This part is very important. You can just ignore the lines and fold this way and open and bring this here to the mountain fold and tuck this inside. Next step is cut the eye. I pinch this part. Secure the wire in the area where you place the wire. Oops. And the next is gluing. First, we are going to place the yellow on the eye area. Cut.これでもう十分ですね。Overwrap in darkens tail. You can make 2 layers, up to 2 layers. After papering is done, you need to bend these flaps towards inside. Yes. Also chin area needs to be inside. We are going to connect these 2 tops together by twisting both sides. And make little hole in there. twisting the other side and make a little hole. And we are going to add the top wire on the top by twisting. Here it is, the salmon lantern is done. You can also use this model inside out where the color papers are applied and place the lantern light inside, white side inside.